What's up guys, welcome. Stop arguing. Today we're going for a ride. We're at Rotorua Motocross track. We've got these children. They're all of about 10 playing up, but haven't been out to this track for like probably, it's got to be 8 to 10 years. So got both bikes here. Steph might ride later on, but yeah, got mine there. Gonna get out there. There's a few people here, which is cool. Yeah, it's only 20 bucks to come out here, so it's not too bad. So I'm already puffed and I just got my gear on. So yeah, let's see how this goes. Should be a bit of fun. Survived. Like I did 2.5 laps. I'm so like my arms are so but that was fun. The track's really good at the moment. There's like, it's not really rough. There's some like long ruts at some points where it's been wet, but other than that it's all good. I did one fast-ish lap, or like the best I could anyway, and now I'm just absolutely wrecked, but have a drink and then we'll go again. I'm so puffed, oh my god. My watch is telling me my heart rate's a bit high. Standard, but yeah. No, this bike's so good to ride. It honestly feels mean. And look at it, looks good too. Alright, so we're gonna go again. I've got this chest mount, never used it. Just a classic one off Temu that I got ages ago. So we'll try that and then see how that looks. The GoPro on the helmet was a little bit high, so I don't know, I'll go up for a few more laps. This is so bad, like I'm so unfit, it's pathetic, but no, it's a bit of fun.
the grass.
Okay, I did 2 more laps. Gosh, that was hectic. Hopefully the chest mount works. I haven't looked at it yet, but might go do a couple starts. Get the little 125 to lug my gut around. I'm tired, and these guys probably want to go home.
Supercross is on.
Yeah, we're gonna go home and watch the Supercross after this. It's already started, so I don't want to like look at my phone to know the results. So might go do some starts. That'll be a bit of fun, and then call it a day. I've survived, so I don't want to do any more. And I'm going to be very sore tomorrow, the next day, and the day after. So yeah, mate, let's go do some starts. That was a bit of fun doing some starts on this thing. I haven't done a start forever, so yeah. On the track there's like a couple big doubles and stuff that I'm not really interested in doing or trying, especially not today. We're going to quit while we're ahead. I've done like 5 or 6 laps today and I'm wrecked, so time to go home and watch the professionals. But I do want to try and start coming out here a bit more, just to try and get more laps done and under my belt so that I can like slowly get fitter. But alright, time to head home, pack up, and at least it's not too dirty, so it just needs a little wash and should be good. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed a little bit of riding content. I know it's a bit different to driving, so hope you guys like it, and yeah, we'll see you guys all in the next one. Cheers.